A shadow is stretching across the Pacific, cast not by clouds but by the wings of China's rapidly advancing air force. For decades, Western air power reigned supreme. Now that dominance is under threat. China's aerospace industry has leapt from copying Soviet designs to producing some of the world's most advanced military aircraft. The transformation is nothing short of revolutionary, catching many defense analysts off guard. The People's Liberation Army Air Force, or PLAAF, is modernizing at breakneck speed, replacing outdated jets with a new generation of fighters, bombers, and transports. These aren't minor upgrades, they're a quantum leap in capability. Fifth-generation stealth fighters, powerful strike aircraft, and massive transports now form the backbone of China's air power. The goals secure regional interests, challenge U.S. dominance in the Indo-Pacific, and project power globally. Decades of investment and relentless focus have built a vast industrial base capable of mass-producing these complex machines. The balance of power in the skies is shifting, forcing the U.S. and its allies to rethink their strategies. In this deep dive, we'll reveal the key players in China's aerial arsenal. We'll examine the J-20 Mighty Dragon stealth fighter, the J-16 Silent Flanker strike fighter, and the Y-20 Kunpeng transport. We'll also explore China's advanced military drones, which are reshaping aerial warfare. This is the story of how the Dragon learned to fly, and why the world is watching the skies with new unease. The era of uncontested Western air power is over. At the heart of China's air power revolution is the Chengdu J-20, the Mighty Dragon. As China's first fifth-generation stealth fighter, the J-20's debut stunned the defense world. Its canard delta wing design and radar-absorbent materials make it hard to detect and deadly in contested airspace. The J-20 isn't built for dogfights, it's a long-range interceptor and precision strike platform, able to carry significant fuel and weapons internally. Its mission: penetrate deep, target critical assets, and cripple enemy coordination. The J-20's development marked China's mastery of technologies once exclusive to the US, from advanced flight controls to stealth manufacturing. First flown in 2011 and operational by 2017, the J-20 fleet is rapidly expanding with improved variants. Early models used Russian engines, but China's new WS-15 turbofans are now entering service, unlocking the J-20's full potential, including supercruise. This milestone frees China from foreign reliance and cements the J-20 as a true peer to Western stealth fighters. The Mighty Dragon is now a symbol of China's technological ambition and military reach. The J-20's defining feature is its stealth, rivaling American icons like the F-22 and F-35. Its chiseled nose, blended wing body, and canted tails are all engineered to deflect radar. Internal weapon bays and shielded engine intakes further reduce its radar signature. The goal: see the enemy first, strike first. But stealth is just the beginning. The J-20's real edge is its advanced electronics. A powerful AESA radar and sensor fusion system combine data from radar, electro-optical sensors, and a 360-degree distributed aperture system. This gives the pilot a seamless, god's-eye view of the battle space, highlighting threats and targets in real time. Such situational awareness is the hallmark of fifth-generation fighters, enabling faster, smarter decisions in combat. The J-20's long-range PL-15 missile reportedly outranges its American counterpart, threatening U.S. support aircraft. While the F-22 remains unmatched in agility, the J-20's range and sensors make it a formidable peer. China's answer to American air dominance is here, and it's a direct challenge to the Raptor's reign. The J-20 is redefining the balance of power in the skies. While the J-20 grabs headlines, the Shenyang J-16 is the PLAAF's workhorse. Based on the Russian Su-30 but heavily upgraded, the J-16 is China's answer to the F-15E Strike Eagle. It's a large, twin-seat, multi-role fighter built for air superiority and precision strikes. The two-person crew divides flying and weapons management, crucial for complex missions. Advanced Chinese avionics, AESA radar, and a modern cockpit make the J-16 a versatile and lethal platform. Radar-absorbent paint and electronic warfare upgrades boost its survivability. The J-16 often operates alongside the stealthy J-20, J-20S breakthrough defenses, while J-16S deliver heavy firepower. This high-low mix allows China to overwhelm adversaries with coordinated multi-role strike packages. The J-16 is the backbone of China's modern air combat force. The J-16's strength lies in its massive arsenal and electronic warfare capabilities. With 12 hardpoints, it can carry a mix of PL-10 and long-range PL-15 air-to-air missiles, threatening even distant support aircraft. For strike missions, it deploys precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles like the Y-12 and land attack cruise missiles. A squadron of J-16s can devastate naval fleets and ground targets, key to China's anti-access strategy. The J-16D variant takes this further, focusing on electronic warfare. Stripped of its cannon, the J-16D mounts powerful jamming pods to disrupt enemy radar and communications. Its mission escort strike packages, blind enemy defenses, and create safe corridors for other aircraft. This integrated approach, stealth fighters, strike aircraft, and electronic warfare, makes the PLAF far more resilient and deadly. Modern warfare is as much about controlling the electromagnetic spectrum as the skies. The J-16D ensures China can suppress threats and protect its strike force. Together, the J-16 and its variants are a force multiplier for China's air power. Air power isn't just about fighters, logistics matter. The Xi'an Y-20 Kunpeng is China's answer to the US C-17, transforming the PLAF into a global force. With a 66-ton payload, it can haul tanks, troops, or supplies across continents. Before the Y-20, China relied on aging Russian transports, limiting its reach. Now, the Y-20's modern design, robust landing gear, and glass cockpit enable rapid, large-scale deployments. New WS-20 engines boost range and payload, ending reliance on foreign parts. The Y-20 is the backbone of China's strategic airlift, essential for power projection, disaster relief, and overseas operations. It enables rapid deployment to hotspots like Taiwan or the South China Sea. The Y-20 gives China the logistical muscle for global ambitions. The Y-20 fleet gives China unprecedented strategic mobility. In a crisis, Y-20s can rapidly move brigades and equipment nationwide or to distant theaters. The Y-20 has already proven its value in disaster relief and international aid, boosting China's soft power. Its versatile airframe is spawning new variants, like the Y-20 aerial refueling tanker, crucial for extending fighter range deep into the Pacific. An AWACS version is also in development, promising a more capable flying command post than China's older models. The Y-20 is being produced at a pace that could soon rival or surpass the US C-17 fleet in numbers. This rapid expansion is transforming China's ability to sustain operations far from home. The Y-20 is a cornerstone of China's global military reach. China is now a global superpower in military drones, reshaping modern warfare. From small tactical UAVs to high-altitude, long-endurance platforms, China's drone fleet offers persistent surveillance and precision strike at low cost and risk. The Winglong series, similar to the US MQ-9 Reaper, has seen combat worldwide and is widely exported. The CH series and the high-flying WZ-7 Soaring Dragon provide long-range reconnaissance and patrol. The stealthy GJ-11 Sharp Sword, a flying wing drone, is designed to penetrate defended airspace for surveillance or precision strikes. These drones can also act as loyal wingmen, supporting manned fighters with sensors, weapons, or electronic warfare. China's drone innovation is driving a new era of aerial combat and surveillance. The drone revolution is a key pillar of China's rising air power. The PLAF's modernization is more than new hardware, it's a shift in doctrine and global posture. The J-20, J-16, Y-20 and advanced drones form an integrated networked force designed to contest the Indo-Pacific and beyond. China now has credible tools to enforce its claims and challenge US freedom of movement. The high-low mix of stealth and firepower, plus global logistics and drone swarms, creates a 21st century air force. The technological gap with the West is closing fast. For the US and its allies, the days of assumed air supremacy are over. The Pacific is now a contested environment, with China as a peer adversary. The stakes and risks of intervention have never been higher. China is already developing sixth-generation fighters, hypersonic weapons, and AI-enabled systems. The future of the skies will be defined by this new era of competition, and the world is watching.